Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, or good evening from wherever in the world you're watching from. I am very happy to have you. I just want to wish you all a very happy holidays. Thank you so much for tuning into my channel. I really appreciate you. If you're viewing for the first time, my name is Kian. Some people call me Key, which is the inspiration behind the name for the channel. On this channel, I share weight loss tips as well as workout videos that helps me with my weight loss. So today's video will be about losing the extra weight that you gained during Christmas. And most of us can agree that sometimes during Christmas, when we're with family and we're happy, we tend to overindulge. No, the best way to lose the extra weight that you gain during Christmas is to cleanse your colon, because that is where the waste gets built up if you're not using the bathroom as often as possible, and if you get constipated on a regular basis. So this video is not going to be long. I'm just going to share with you the natural remedy that I use to cleanse my colon, and it helps me when I am constipated. Guys, when I tell you that constipation has a lot to do with how much weight you lose, you might be surprised. But sometimes we have a lot of waste build up in our body because we're not going to the bathroom as frequently as possible, and that is a big problem. So I use a colon cleanse product from Dr. Bo, and I got it on Amazon for $9.99. It's reasonable, guys, because I can remember being constipated for several months, and I went to the doctor and they gave me something. I spent so much money and it only worked for a while. So I did some research and I discovered Dr. Bo Colon Cleanse supplement on Amazon. And guys, when I tell you that this product does the trick, I am not exaggerating. And no, I was not paid to promote this product. I am just sharing with you my results that I got when I used this product. So as I mentioned, guys, I was constipated for 4 months straight. Sometimes I would be in the bathroom, guys, for over an hour and I cannot use the bathroom. And when I tell you that this magical product, I'm not sure if you guys are able to see it. Waiting for the camera to focus. Yes, guys, so I'm not sure why the camera is not focusing, but I'm gonna paste it somewhere on the screen there, guys. Hey, when I began to use this product, the very next day I got results, and it is all natural. It's recommended that you take 2 capsules, right? It says for occasional use, only 1 to 2 capsules taken at bedtime with 10 ounces of water as directed by your healthcare professional. Guys, I took 2 of these and this is how they look. I don't know what happened to the camera now focus, guys. Yeah, so this is how they look, guys, and it's all natural. Nothing funny not in there because I've taken it myself and it works. 2 capsules before bed with 10 ounces of water. You have to ensure that you're consuming enough water for it to work. If you don't consume enough water, it will not work. It's a 15-day cleanse, but I took it for 1 week straight. And guys, every single day after I take this colon cleanse tablets, it's not really tablets, but it's in, they call it something here? It's in capsule form, but it's not a capsule. It's all natural supplements. Guys, make sure you don't go on the road, because if you take these capsules for colon cleanse and you go on the road, you will have to be running to look for bathroom. It's a good thing that I work from home, guys. I am telling you, I had to go to the bathroom 3 or 4 times for the day. And when I'm finished using the bathroom, I can't believe the stuff that came outside of my body. So sometimes when you are constipated, causes a lot of build-up to be in your body, a lot of waste. And to be honest with you guys, sometimes people are sitting down with 20 pounds or more waste in their body because they're not passing stool on a regular basis. So in order for you to lose the extra weight that you gained during Christmas, you have to do a colon cleanse. So ensure that you are consistent. Don't just take 2 pills and stop. No. Ensure that you take them for at least 7 days straight. And guys, I'm telling you, by the very next day, when you wake up and go on the scale, you will lose about 5 pounds, because it definitely works. And the next thing, when you're on a weight loss journey, like myself, water plays a big role. If you're not drinking enough water and you're not hydrated properly, you're not going to lose as much weight as you want to lose. So in my last video, I shared how I was going to do some habit stacking to lose weight, and I shared my water bottle, and I told you guys that I'm going to replace my snacks with my water. The water bottle that I shared initially was smaller than this one. I got this water bottle, and as you can see, it inspires you to drink as much water during the day. This is about 2.2 liters of water, and I just take a little sip right throughout the day until the bottle is finished. I've not started drinking any water as yet this morning because I was doing something. But guys, when you're fully hydrated and you do a colon cleanse, I am telling you, you are definitely going to see results. And the next thing that I need to say is that whenever you're on a weight loss journey, don't beat up yourself. There's a reason why it's called a journey. So even if you fall down, you can always get back up. Yes, I am also guilty of, overindulging during the Christmas, because I was with friends, and well, I call them friends, but they're basically family. I had a good time and the food was nice. So yes, I did overindulge a bit, but the best thing about that is that you are cognizant of what you're doing. So whenever you get back into the regular day-to-day routine, just stay focused on your weight loss journey. And I can assure you guys that once you stay focused on your weight loss journey and you develop good habits like drinking more water and cleansing your colon, you will definitely lose weight. So the next thing that I want to talk about is intermittent fasting. Right? After you cleanse your colon for 7 days straight, and it's a 15-day colon cleanse, but I only did it for 7 days because I don't want my body to be dependent on a product to let me go to the bathroom. So you have to just use your conscience on these things, guys. So after the 7-day cleanse, while you're drinking your water, ensure that you do intermittent fasting. I'll be sharing a long fast journey with you that I'll be doing. I'm not sure when I'm going to do it as yet, so I don't want to speak much about that, but I'm going to share that with you so that I can stay accountable where that's concerned. But guys, fast at least 18 hours a day, where you have 6 hours to consume all of your meal to get back on track with your weight loss. A weight loss journey is not easy. It's very challenging sometimes, especially when you're around people who is consuming foods that you love. And guys, don't let anybody tell you that you should stop eat certain foods to lose weight. That is a big fat lie. And the reason why I say that is because if you stop eating the foods that you love while you're losing weight, you're going to binge eat and you're going to end up eating more than what you would normally eat. I say eat a small portion of what you would normally eat. And when you do that, you're not going to miss the food that you love. Just do everything in moderation. Weight loss in moderation. Everything that you do on your weight loss journey should be in moderation. If you're pushing your body to exercise and you're tired, stop. And start again when you feel better. Yes guys, so as I was saying, everything that you're doing, ensure that you do it in moderation. Don't push yourself beyond your limits, please. And there is one thing that I need to note about the colon cleanse. Take the focus a little bit better now. Yes guys, one thing that I need to note about the colon cleanse is that you might feel a little discomfort in your body when it's about to expel the waste. So that's just a part of your body cleansing. It's not going to harm you, but if you feel better, consult your doctor before you do a colon cleanse if you have an underlying health conditions. So I hope that my tips were helpful today guys. Cleanse your colon, drink as much water, and get back on your weight loss journey. I love you all and I appreciate you, and I look forward to seeing you guys in my next video. Have a happy new year when it comes. Mwah. Bye bye.